Good.
I can see you now.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. First of all,
Are
tell
you?
me how are you? I'm good, and you?
Yes, I'm good too. Thank you for asking.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Please
So,
introduce yourself.
oh, then already my name is Pradeep Kushwaha. Basically, I'm from Uttar Pradesh, but currently I am living in Vijayawada for 6 months. And if we talk about my qualification, then I have completed my class 10th standard. And if we talk about my hobbies, then my hobbies are dancing, listening a song, and studying. These are my hobbies. That's all about me in short. Thank you. And let me introduce yourself.
So, what do you do in Vijayawada?
Actually, currently I am a working person. As a worker, I am working in Vijayawada.
Hmm. So, very far from your place, right? UP to Vijayawada.
Very far, like 200 kilometers.
Okay.
2000
So,
or
what? Yeah, that's
2000.
what I was wondering. Not 200. What brought you so far?
Yeah, yeah. You
What
ask,
brought you so far?
sorry.
What brought you so far from your hometown?
Oh, from my
Why?
hometown,
Why did you come? Why did you come
2000.
to Vijayawada? Why and how?
Oh, actually, just actually during the class 11th standard, actually, we have started a small business, tea and coffee stall. And at that time,
Okay.
our is going on good because in winter season we have started, but as soon as have start summer season, then we have closed our shop. And actually my friends family were were facing financial problem that time. So my friend went to Rajasthan for earn money, and that time I lived at my home sometime. And after that I am thinking, I thought, why not, I also should go anywhere. So I came with my elder brother. Actually I live with my elder brother, so I came here. And
Hmm.
next day I will go back at home, and I will take admission for class 11th standard. Again I want to study.
Very good. You have to study.
Yeah.
What work do you do now? From past 6 months, what are you working as?
As a glass fitting we are working.
Okay, right. So, how is your professional life going on? Are you enjoying what you're doing?
No, actually I don't like I don't like it. Actually, just we can say that this is my compulsion, so I am living here.
Hmm.
Just
Right. And yeah, what is your attachment with English language? Why are you learning English?
there are more reasons. I think actually, first thing, in a childhood, I want to speak English. Actually, at that time, I used to go anywhere. I used to look to each other. English is English conversation. Then that time, I used to think, I wish I also speak in English. So this is first thing. And the second thing, actually, we can say that this is my passion. And in a future, I want to change in my passion to profession. So just I am
Hmm.
learning.
Want to convert your passion to your profession. That is why
Yes,
you are learning English. Do you want
yes,
to
yes.
teach English in the future?
No, 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 I don't teach. Just I want to learn, and I am learning, and I'm trying to speak.
Hmm. Right.
It's been for 20 days. I am running my YouTube channel. So this
Hmm.
conversation I upload on that YouTube platform.
Okay. So you're having conversations on a regular basis, daily?
No, not daily. Sometimes
How often? How often? Once or twice a week?
uh, in a week, 2 conversation.
Why are you not regular? Are you not finding enough time?
Yeah, I just I've not find a sufficient time.
So tell me what makes you feel good?
Sorry, I did not.
What makes you feel good?
Oh, when actually whenever I get upset, then that time I sing a song, I listen a song. Then after I'm feeling better, I feel better. And apart from that, I want to ask what make to feel good. You want to ask me? Then I think studying and learning something.
Okay. So basically, when you are feeling low, you listen to music, and music makes you feel good instantly. But
Yeah,
apart from that, you like to study. Even studying also makes you feel good and happy, right?
yes, right, right.
Hmm. So do you, okay, what makes you feel nervous?
Now,
Anytime, in general, what makes you feel nervous? Are you nervous going somewhere or talking to somebody? In general, what makes you feel nervous? Or maybe you are thinking about your future and that makes you nervous. It could be anything.
no, about actually when I think about my future, then that time I feel nervous anytime because always just I think about my future, what will happen, what will not happen, to take my future. So that time
Hmm. What have you planned for your future? What do you want to do
actually I want to do in my future businessman and I want to do a business.
in your future? You want to do a business. Do you have
Yeah,
any business ideas in mind?
yeah. Current now actually we have started a little business like we give some money to other person like
Other
ten
people?
thousand this type money we give and thereafter we take with return interest with
Interest.
trust. So this type
Okay.
going on.
So you have started financing.
Yeah, yeah. We started.
Hmm. Hmm. So I hope your business grows big.
Oh, just we are trying actually we and my friend have started this business.
Hmm.
And now my friend is handling in my village and thereafter
Ah,
next I also go in my village then
hmm.
I will also handle
You can earn a lot of money now and you can take all the money to your village and
yeah,
start your business successfully.
with the study
Hmm.
well, yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget to study. You have to study at least graduation.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
I think actually I will do become. Then after become, if possible, then I will do MBA. Just
Hmm.
according to my opinion, this is my
Yes.
plan.
Yes. You have a good plan because you already want to do business. So you're thinking in the right direction.
Yes.
Hmm. So, what are the three most important things that you miss from your village?
Actually, I'm missing environment, good environment, good air, good air condition. I'm missing because
Oh,
in actually I'm not feeling well to take air breath, deep air breath, to take room around. I can
mm.
around here. Just whenever I go to workplace, then I feel yeah today I came anywhere. But
Mhm.
time we have not work, then just we sleep on home.
Sleep at home. Okay, the air quality is not good there. In your village, you had clean air, and now even taking a deep breath is difficult for you.
Like I spend here my time with a lot of friends. Just I am missing also.
You're missing your friends also.
Yes.
Okay. So what next? One is air, fresh air, your friends. What is the third thing that you're missing?
Third things, I'm missing my study. Actually, during the class 11th standard, I left
Mm,
study. Then current now, I am feeling we should not leave our study.
okay. Currently, you're repenting. You're feeling that you should not have left your study.
Yes.
Mm, okay. So tell me three positive things of living here in Vijayawada. Is there anything positive?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, just I would like to say that first positive things. I came here with my elder brother, and I am helping for him. So this is my first positive things. And second positive things, just I am visiting in Andhra Pradesh, like etc. District, and I am taking experience. Then I think this is the second positive things. And the
Mm.
positive things, I am maturing in my life.
You are?
Actually, like how did I explain you? Like I am maturing in my life. Like
Ah.
to
Mm,
how to how did hard work.
mm.
I am learning.
Learning. You're learning to be hardworking. You're maturing in your life. Very good. And you're traveling different places in Andhra Pradesh for work to do your work?
To be more. No,
No, you
actually,
told the second point. You're traveling to different places in Andhra Pradesh for work purpose?
for yeah, for what purpose we are traveling? Like we have a on work. Actually, it's a on work. It's a depend on. So
It depends on work. Wherever you have work, you will go and work.
yes, yes. So
Mm,
we go workplace and
mm. But you think this, glass fitting work, it is risky?
yeah, it is very risky.
Uh,
Very risky. Whenever you
so,
mistake little bit,
mm,
uh, you can be injured.
yeah, you can get injured very easily.
So
Mm. So, what are the protective measures that you take when you're working with glass? How do you protect yourself?
no, we have not any protect sources like we have not any gloves and suits and anything like a hat. Just we are simple that time. Then we work and like not careless. We don't work not careless. Carefully we work.
Mm, mm. You don't have any kind of protection, but still you take care properly when you work because then I think you are experienced now in this work. So you know if you do something, it's going to hurt you. So you have to be careful.
First thing actually we know how to work and which kind you take the glass. Just we know
Mm, mm,
like experienced.
mm,
So
mm.
we don't mistake in that work.
Yes, yes. And like you work on projects, which kind of projects? Like in the house construction or office construction, what kind of work?
House construction, it means commercial and professional.
Mm,
Like common.
both.
Uh, we go to shop and shopkeeper, shop owner give
Okay,
work.
okay. The shop owner gives you work.
Hmm.
Mm.
Shop give us all. Just we work that place. Apart from we don't anything.
Okay, apart from that, you don't do anything. But I think you don't get regular work, right? On a daily basis. It depends on the work. If you have work, you do it. Then you have to wait till somebody else calls you.
And you are right. You are right.
It is challenging in that situations, right?
Yeah, many times it is challenging.
Mm. But still, you have a very nice smile. You're a smiling, happy person all the time.
Yeah, all the time. I think always I'm happy.
Very good. Yeah. And when you told me about your village, you miss the air quality, you miss your friends, but don't you miss your family?
In my family,
Yeah. Don't you miss your family?
yeah, I miss actually. Actually, in my family, my actually we have a four brother and me. We are five brothers and one sister. Sister is already married, and my
Married.
first brother live in Punjab with his family, and the second
Okay.
brother live currently second brother I live with him. I live with him, and the third brother living in home in our home, and the fourth,
With your parents?
yeah, yeah, with my parents, and the fourth me, and the fifth my younger brother live with me.
Okay, the three brothers living together now.
Three brothers living.
Oh. Hmm. So what do you guys do together? Like when you have time to spend with each other? Do you watch movies? What do you do?
Yeah, actually, I like Pakistani dramas. Like Pakistani drama.
I haven't watched any.
Actually, this is available in Hindi, so I think you don't know Hindi. Basically,
Oh, I know Hindi.
you know Hindi.
Yeah, I watch Hindi movies. I watch Indian stuff. I don't watch Pakistani dramas, so I don't know about them.
Then actually, whenever I have a time, then I watch, and I watch the reels relate to knowledge, but relate to English. I watch
Mm,
on YouTube. I listen story in English, and I watch debate to each other in English language.
You listen to English speakers and you listen podcasts.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Only you are the person who is passionate about English, or your brothers also like this?
No, no, just me.
Only you. So they must be thinking like, what is wrong with him? Why is he into English?
Whenever actually one day I was talking to someone else, like I am talking to you just like that.
Mm. Mm.
That I was talking. Then my elder brother shooting a video.
Oh, he took a video of you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Second thing, actually, your society, your environment was like English that time. So
Yes.
would learn.
I had the right kind of environment and right kind of people around me. So they were also equally interested in teaching me English. That is how I learned.
But that time about me, like that time when I was read in class 10, class 9. Like from beginning till now, my society, my environment was not like English, just
Mm.
like Bhojpuri and Hindi. Actually,
Mm.
Bhojpuri and the professional language is Hindi, like in English, like in school we speak.
Mm. Mm. But
Yeah,
still, you have learned to speak English.
still I'm trying.
Mm. You're trying. You're making a good effort. You will learn very soon.
Okay,
Mhm. Okay, so shall we end the session now?
okay,
Okay, yes. Nice talking to you. Continue your practice and all the best for your future.
okay. Thanks.
Bye bye. Have a good day.